Hello, language arts students. The last time you were here, we finished up our first semester, and so that means we're halfway through. That's awesome. You guys are moving right along. Today we are starting Unit 6. This is Exercise 9A. So it's Unit 6. It's the first lesson in Unit 6, also known as 9A. The vocabulary pages you'll be working on are, of course, your vocabulary from Classic Roots workbook, and you'll start on page 51 and you'll go through 55. That shows you the words that you'll be studying today. Your lesson today is on page 55 right here, and it is exercise 9A. Okay, so page 55 will be your lesson today. This lesson is dealing with words related to literature, music, and forms of expression. So on your online school, on page 2 of 3, it asks you to listen to the pronunciation of the 11 key words. And I'm going to show you that right now with my laptop, if I can pull it out here. So you will listen to the pronunciation of the 11 words right here. You just click on the blue word, and I'm going to do that right now so you can listen to the pronunciation once right now, and then again when you go in. So let's go ahead with first word.
Artifact.
Artifact.
Artifice.
Artifice.
Artisan.
Artisan.
Artless.
Artless.
Depict.
Depict.
Incantation.
Incantation.
Ode.
Ode.
Parody.
Parody.
Pictograph.
Pictograph.
Recant.
Recant.
Rhapsody.
Rhapsody. So again, you'll click on these words, and what I would like you to do is first go ahead and click on the word and listen to it. And then once you've gone through and done that, I want you to go back and you look at the word and say the word first, then click on the word and make sure you're pronouncing it correctly, okay? So try that today because these are all new words for you. And then, of course, go in and study each of the words, look at their meaning. So you'll go in and do that with each of the words, and then you will start your lesson. And today's lesson deals with antonyms and synonyms. The first 7 questions, 1 through 7, you are dealing with a synonym. You remember a synonym? I'm sure you do because we've been working on that all year. It's usually the first lesson of the unit. And a synonym is the word or phrase most nearly the same as the word in bold. Most nearly the same, synonym. If you want to write that down. Antonym is the word or phrase most nearly the opposite of the word in bold. So remember, the first 7 deal with synonym, and then the last couple deal with antonym. And I want to challenge you again today to use some of these new vocabulary words. If you're using them, you will learn them. So remember, the completion of vocabulary lessons are antecedent to you passing the final assessment. And once you finish this lesson, you can sit back and rhapsodize about all the new vocabulary words you've learned. So I just used 2 of our words, one from a previous lesson, and rhapsodize is one that you're going to learn about today. So go ahead and take out your vocabulary book and check and see what that word means and see if you can use it sometime this week. Once you have recorded all of your 1 through, I believe it's 10, on page 55, so today's lesson, 1 through 10, once you've recorded that on a blank piece of paper, you'll go into your vocabulary online school, and it says Take Assessment Now. I'll show you that real quick. You'll click on Take Assessment Now, you'll put in your answers, and you're finished for the day. So good work, and keep working. Make sure that you are following pacing guides that maybe your teacher sends out to you, or if you check those on the newsletter site where you can find, where you need to be in not only language arts, but in your math classes, your science, and you can always email your teacher if you're unsure of where you should be. Of course, you can always check your online school. It shows you where you should be. And I appreciate you being here. Have a great week, and it's close to Christmas, so it's either before Christmas or after Christmas when you're watching this. So if it's before, I hope you have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, okay? Take care. See ya.